Okay, so today we will be replacing a magnetic kit or a magnet here to 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 make this work, because this is right now it's just falling off. It doesn't stick over here. So we will be replacing this. First thing is, what you have to do is, once this starts to happen, that it doesn't stick. That means the magnet is not working here. So if your product, this is the Delta faucet, the touch faucet, the old version of the touch faucet. First thing you got to do is call the Masco Canada, MASCO. Call them, see if this is in warranty. If it's in the warranty, then they will send this to you. So this is the magnetic replacement key. That's what they will be sending. So it has two magnets, and we'll see. And it comes with the instructions. Very first thing that you need to do is, with any plumbing or any plumbing work, just need to have a rag that's available. Any kind of rag, even if there's the chances of leak is low, but it's better to have this one available, and then additional tools that they have recommended. What we'll do is, first is we'll stop the water supply so that water doesn't start to come up and down. So stop that one, come down here, and we'll just run these both off. Right here is the cold water supply, this is the hot water supply, and this is now closed. Now there's no more water that's coming. This is the rag. So very first thing is to replace this. Take this one off. Comes off. You can pause. So replace this one. Take this one off. Let this go. It's right here. All right. Now I'm trying to take this one, and it says you have to use this particular to remove. It says remove here. So you use this one to take the magnet inside off. So let's see if it works. Comes off. This is the old magnet. You just have to push it inside and then push it all the way in, and then turn it, and then it will get stuck. So this is stuck now. One thing is done. You just have to push it all the way so that the black part doesn't show up, and then it gets stuck because it has a little bit of groove to which it gets attached. So let's see if this will work. Yeah, this gets stuck, so that means the magnet is working. Now the trick is to get that pipe back. So we'll see. That will be a tricky part. So again, you have to push this one from here. Keep pushing, and then it's stuck here. So we'll have to just play fiddle with it, and then it comes. Oh, there it is. Easy. Put this back on. There you go. Again, it sticks. It was not working before, now it sticks. Alright, now let's turn the taps back on. The cold one, the hot one. No leaks. Back on again. Oh. Fixed. All done. That was easy.